So I want to get into the demo really and get into the conversation of the technology. So I covered who we are really quick, and then we're going to talk about application layering and what's new in Profile Unity 6, and then we'll baseline on ThinApp and AppV and application bubbling first to kind of baseline what application layering really means. So my background is Citrix as well. I go back to WinFrame days, early 90s. Before we talk about layering, we should baseline and talk about application virtualization. So when you have application virtualization, you're able to take an application and put it into a bubble, and that bubble is now portable throughout the infrastructure. You can bring it to any machine like a ThinApp or an AppV. That application is now self-contained and is a consistent delivery of an application every time. We can actually take a layer and we can clone it between VHD and VMDK. What does it look like from a delivery standpoint when you want to deliver these layers? We can combine applications into a single disk or have a disk per application. The want really is that you want a disk per application so that you can maintain just the single application, not to take a whole group of applications offline to do maintenance. You want to maintain just the one app, and then you want to basically roll it in and out of production as needed as you update and patch it. This is where our UEM integration comes in. Because we have environment variables, printers, if a file exists, and I can stack these rules as well. So you can really get creative about how you deliver that dynamic desktop for the dynamic user that moves around. After a while, we all reload our laptops from scratch because eventually they just stop working the way they should. Well, what if the applications on that laptop or on that desktop or that XenApp were never really installed? They were technically virtual, but you got 90% compatibility with this virtual method of delivery. The registry keys, the files, the directories, the add-on programs, registrations all just disappear. Like the application was never really installed in the first place. So that OS stays completely pristine forever. So I don't have to go crack open my PVS image or my MCS image or my base image for view or for physical desktop. I don't have to put anything in there. The applications are never actually installed.
Meet with Citrix peers in the Chicagoland area. Don't miss the next Chicago Citrix User Group meeting.